definitely getting chilly outside, so it's time to learn how to make your very own homemade apple cider. This one is served warm, or you can let it chill and then put some ice cubes in it. You can spike it, whatever you desire. We're gonna teach you how to make it today. So my apple cider starts by slicing up some Honeycrisp apples and also some navel oranges. Once those are nice and sliced up into large quarters, you're going to kind of just pop them back into a bowl or back into your colander while you get through all the pieces that you need to chop up. I'm doing about 4 small apples and 3 small to medium sized oranges. I'm going to pop them in my Instant Pot because, girl, we don't have 2 hours to simmer, okay? This is only going to take 30 minutes, and I feel like it's so convenient when you want to just kind of like batch prep apple cider ahead of time, or for a large party. This is a great option. So to the apples and oranges, we're going to add our aromatics. We're going to add some cinnamon sticks, some cinnamon, and also a little apple spice as well. Then we're going to add our water and kind of just make sure the water again is kissing the top of all the fruit that you have popped into the Instant Pot. Give everything a nice smell before you cover it up, and then you're going to pressure this on high for 30 minutes, and you're going to do a quick release. Once you quick release and all the steam is gone from the Instant Pot, you're going to go ahead and use like a potato masher and just mash out all of the fruit to get all the flavors out. Then you're going to go in with a fine strainer, and you're going to strain all the juice from the Instant Pot and make sure that you discard of that cooked fruit. Once you do this, you also want to ensure that you're using like a spoon to kind of like just get all the juices out of the fruit. Then you can serve it warm. It's almost like a mulled wine, but like without the wine, it's just mulled apple cider. You know how to make apple cider from scratch, and guess what? You learn how to make it the quick way. We don't like things that take too long over here. We got things to do. We got apple picking to go to, pumpkin picking to go to. Throw it all in the Instant Pot and get to the goods. But of course, if you have the time, if you want to do a simmer pot at home to enjoy the smells all day long, you can definitely do it on the stovetop on a low simmer. Or if you have a slow cooker that you're itching to get out, you can definitely pop all the ingredients in the slow cooker and cook it on low for 8 to 12 hours and enjoy.